Okay, so there's two positions on here, dollar yen. Go for 9 pips. Pound here, go for 10 pips. I haven't got a stop loss on, so let's put that in now. On a demo platform, you should get used to putting in you can do these in your sleep, meaning they're very easy to do. Dollar yen, this is the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, London open at the moment, we're half an hour in. It's a big picture, we're not going for a big move here. Slight pullback. Asian session, they were buying dollars. And there could be a little bit of a pullback on the London open. No major economic announcement coming up. Pound doing very nicely. And very nicely, actually. Very nicely indeed. Okay, I'm going to put this on pause and come back in a little bit. Okay, well this is certainly going to take a little bit of time, so I think I'll wind this up for this. I'll give you an update later. Pound came back down very nicely, almost to perfection, and now it's gone back up. So this is going to obviously be moving a little bit. So I won't just sit and watch it, but you can see on the big picture this is what we're looking at, a pullback. Make it a bit bigger. So the entry was good. Very good, actually. Very happy with that. And looking for about 10 pips. A bit more, actually. 13 pips. Dollar yen. Okay, it's nice. Red candle there. So volume's really kicking in here because London is open. It's been open about 40 minutes. And of course, if you're in Asia, you could be doing this in the afternoon. It would be about 2:30, 3:30 in the afternoon, depending on where you are in Asia. So I'm going to wind this up, and I'll give you an update later on. Wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're fitting well, be good to each other, and I hope this helps.